first piece is that you want it to be easy rather than effortful. This is not a coworker or your boss. This is your friend. You want it to feel simple. Second piece is using I statements. So I statements is when you are going to focus on the pronoun I rather than you. For example, if you're upset about something, you can say, I'm feeling upset about this, rather than targeting the other person with, why did you do this? Most likely with I statements, the person's going to feel less defensive and is going to be more receptive to what you have to say because you're focusing on how you're feeling, not what they did. I also really like the sandwich method for communication. And that's when you're going to sandwich a piece of feedback between two positive statements. So for example, you're going to start with the positive. I value our friendship. I love how much you make me laugh. Then you can slip in the challenge. I've noticed you often interrupt me when I'm speaking. I know you probably don't even realize it or mean to, but it does bother me. And then you end with another positive. I feel really great when I'm with you and I want to continue our friendship. This helps builds communication from a foundation of positivity, which is what we want.